are here with an impromptu video because I got something that I'm going to gift to her. She doesn't know what it is. And I kind of know what it is, but I don't know what's in it.
Huh?
She doesn't understand. So, step one. Hold that thought.
Holding.
Step two.
Still
Close your
holding.
eyes. Both of them. Stay closed. Okay. I'm back. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Open your eyes.
There's nothing.
We're still here. Boom.
What is it?
Looks like a clothing, like a bag for your dress,
Like,
for
yeah, it looks
your
like
bed
quilts.
stuff. Yeah, like bedding. But yeah, but it's full of what appears to be maps. She likes maps.
I love maps.
And what makes this so good?
Is there all kinds of maps?
You know what else makes it so good? What
They're
makes
old.
it better? And you know what it costs?
$2.
Nothing. She threw it in with other stuff. Now the price is, oh, you can have it.
So you got me a present, but it was free.
Yes. So if you don't want it, I'll keep it. So
No,
you
I'm keeping it. I can
It's
already
official.
see some of them, and I'm
Like,
keeping them.
I could very much keep it and not say anything to you.
Too late.
So what we have. So this is an unpackaging video.
The best kind.
So we'll take turns showing you what's in here.
Right.
Glove compartment guide to car care, which actually should go with my stuff.
You can keep that one.
Okay.
Oklahoma. Native America. 1997. Oh,
Kansas, 95, 96.
Kansas.
What year?
I don't know. 99 to
2000.
2000. Millennium.
Kansas City, with no year.
Iowa. Come be our guest.
We basically went to basically here, basically not that long ago. Boom.
Canada.
Canada.
New Mexico.
Colorado or Colorado, depending on how you want to
Colorado. Another Oklahoma.
say it. Oklahoma.
Route 66 edition. Colorado Springs, Colorado.
Missouri or Missouri. Yeah, how
Or
you want to say it.
Missouri. No pun. They're nice people. Montana. On the list still.
Montana Centennial Highway map.
Mmm.
Hitting the high spots.
That
That's
should
cool.
be in
pretty
Colorado.
State of the art car service in every state.
Ooh.
That's cool.
AAA. Missouri.
That's really cool, actually.
That's cool.
Yep. Getting low here. Saskatchewan, 1991.
That's a good year. And it's from Corner Gas. Can we find Corner Gas on there?
We should. That's really cool. It's like almost my dad's camper. It's basically my dad.
And this is Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Northwest Territories, National Geographic.
You want to do a video on how to fold these?
That and a fitted sheet. It's just impossible.
Well, they probably had a fitted sheet in this, and they couldn't put it back in, so they used it for this instead. So, anyway,
Cool.
so this was quick.
That was a good present.
Quick video, just a quick run through, but we didn't want to drag it out and make y'all get bored, even though you might be already. Sorry, who we are,
Boring.
basically. So anyway, so those are the maps. If you have anything you want to see specifically for some reason, A, you can ask, we'll show you, or B, go get one. They are out there, people. So you have fun.
Peace out.
We're going to have fun. Later.